In front of me is Lenovo Yoga Tab 11, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off app notifications on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Now you need to scroll down and tap on Notifications. Following that, select App Settings and tap on Most Recent. Now you need to click on the best option for you, in my case, Most Frequent. Lastly, click on the switcher next to one of your apps to switch off or on notifications. You can also just click on your app on the left instead and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!